dogs are one of the most accessible hunters in the entire animal kingdom. They usually hunt in packs, and those packs are led by the most dominant male and female pair.
He definitely buried something and forgot where it is.
Let's try it. The other one's like, I don't think it's there.
Coming up on our left, these are some sable antelope. Sables are one of the fiercest species of antelope known to occasionally fend off lions. The most dominant sable will have the darkest fur coat. Also on our left, it looks like there are a few woolly cattle. A lot of people think that their horns weigh a ton because they are so large, but the inside of their horns actually has a honeycomb-like structure, which makes them quite hollow.
Horns down, buddy.
Coming up, it does look like there are a few springbok. Springbok can leap about 6 feet high or about 13 feet forward from a standstill. They're one of the smallest species of antelope here on the reserve. Off in the distance, it looks like there are a few Hartmann's mountain zebras. They're one of the smaller species of zebra, but they do tend to have a little bit of a larger heart to help pump blood and oxygen throughout their bodies at those higher altitudes that they're used to living at. A group of zebras are called a dazzle. Coming up on our left, these are some eland. Eland are the largest species of antelope here on the savanna. Males can weigh in at around 2,000 pounds when they are fully grown. As eland walk, a tendon will slip over their knees, making almost a popping sound, letting other eland know that they are in the area. Judging by all of these knocked over trees and branches, I'd say we're getting pretty close to elephant country.
Oh, look at the big boy.
Coming up, it does look like there are a few African elephants. They're the largest wild mammals on the planet. Females can weigh in at around 8,000 pounds, while males can weigh in a little bit closer to 13,000 pounds.
Wow. And ducks.
Bring the water up to here. Okay, no problem.
Raspberries.
Well, we're they do not like the sound of bees and will actually run away from them. Over in Kenya, there is a herd of elephants that are going onto some farmers' lands and eating up much of their crops. Farmers tried shooing the elephants away, but nothing was really working. So we proposed the idea of a beehive fence. These fences are now placed all around the farmers' crops. That way the elephants will hear the bees and go in a different direction.
We'll do the upside down tree. Oh, the flamingos.
Coming up, it does look like there are a few flamingos. These are all breeder flamingos. They are the largest species of flamingo. They are also the lightest shade.
Oh, look at the
of
babies.
It does take them about 2 full years to reach that light pink color. A group of flamingos are called a flamboyant.
Oh, what's that? Just chilling with them. I know. It's actually like, yeah, we own this place. And we so far have been adopted with everybody.
Over on our right, looks like there are a few white rhinos. White rhinos are one of the larger species of rhino, weighing in at around 4,000 to 5,000 pounds when they are fully grown. These rhinos don't have the best eyesight, but they do have some incredible hearing to make up for it. A group of these rhinos are called a crash. Coming up on our left, it looks like we're getting pretty close to cheetah territory. Cheetahs are the fastest land mammals on the planet. They're the largest species of cat with the ability to purr.
Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, kitty, 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 kitty.
Coming up, it looks like there are a few Kopi rocks. Kopis tend to be the home of lions. Lions are nocturnal animals, that means that they like to sleep during the day and are a little bit more active at night. Lions do rest for about 16 to 18 hours a day. When they are awake, the females are the ones who will go out and do the hunting, while the males will stay behind and watch over their lands as well as their young.
Oh, there they are. They're on top of the rock over there.
There's a nail sticking his head out. You see the nail sticking his head out there?
He got down.
Wow.
This is drawing.
He's scratching himself. He's like,
He's
yeah.
like, he said that feels good. That's not good.
Big kitties.
That's awesome.
Coming up, it doesn't look like there are aviary burrowers. Orchogs are one of the largest species of animal to burrow. They will either dig their own burrows or they've been known to use other animal burrows once they are done with them. Once the warthog feels at home, they will back themselves into their burrows with their tusks facing outwards. That way, if a predator approaches, they can charge at them at full speed with their tusks.
Oh, you do that. It's eggs. Eggs.
Right now, we are starting to make our way into the warden's post. The warden looks after all of the animals here on the reserve, making sure that they are happy and healthy. It does look like they have a few Nigerian dwarf goats with them today. These goats may be small, but they are pretty valuable here in Africa. Lots of villages will use them for their sweet milk as well as for the cheeses that they can produce with their milk. Here at Animal Kingdom, we really like conservation, and one way that you can help with conservation, even from the comfort of your own home, is just by simply recycling. The more that we are able to reuse, the less we have to pull from nature, and the more that we are able to help protect these animals in their natural habitats. If you're looking for ways to help out with conservation while you're here at Animal Kingdom today, one great way to do that is by rounding up any of your purchases